Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have partnered with FabFitFun once again to share with you the fall box. This is what the fall box looks like. It always makes me so excited because it's like really heavy, so I know good stuff is in here. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. You get it 4 times a year as opposed to every month. It is $49.99, but it does contain full-size beauty, lifestyle, fitness, wellness, and it's always valued over $200 worth of products. So it is $49.99 like I said, but you can get $10 off of your first box by using my discount code. I'm gonna have it right here on the screen for you guys. I will also have a link down below for you guys to check out. I'm obsessed with this box. I've always found it to be really like good stuff that I've actually gone out and repurchased once I run out because I've discovered some really amazing brands and products as well. It is available, I believe, in the US, Canada, and the UK now. That's super exciting. They weren't available in the UK for a while, but now if you're there, you can join in the fun. They also partner with different charities and female-founded companies every season, so that's part of the reason why I love it. I love supporting a good brand. I think I mentioned this in my last unboxing, but you are able to customize some of the products in the box now. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box. I do know the really good stuff goes by fast. So if you guys want to be one of the first to get your customization, I wouldn't wait. I would sign up now. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what's inside of my box. I love that they use that plum color. So pretty with the yellow. The first thing in here is the pamphlet. And this pamphlet basically just has like all of the products that are contained in here. It also talks about the charity that they partnered with. So really good stuff. I'm gonna have this handy so I can talk about the different customizations. This is the very first thing that just like is calling my name. I think this is a scarf, and you guys, it feels so soft. This scarf is valued at $75, and I love the color. I don't have any scarves this color. Ooh, it's a pretty good size. This is so cute. What do you guys think? I think this is definitely a winner. It does have little, what are those called? Fringes. Oh, I love it. And I think last fall, they also included, oh no, they included like a poncho last year. Oh, this is exciting. This is one of the items I actually got to customize. So this is a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. I actually got this with my mom in mind. She's been wanting something like this, so I'm going to be gifting this to her. You could pick between this, a Kate Spade lunchbox, which was super cute. I feel like if I was still in college, I totally would have picked that one. Or a detox mask or like detox pad, so like a skincare item. And I just thought this was so much fun. I almost don't want to open it because I'm going to give it to her, but that's okay. She'll understand. It does have like wood. Ooh, yeah, this is so nice. So it is wood. It does come with the little like serving utensils or cutting utensils, and then this little part. I imagine that's where you would put the cheese, and it's removable so that you can wash it. So yeah, the back is really nice. So I know she's gonna love this. Okay, so next up we have the Skin Love Body Boosting Gel. I also got to customize this one, and this one is kind of like one of those gels that you put on before you work out, and it helps kind of tone your skin, because you guys know I just had a baby, and not just had a baby, he's almost 2. I definitely need to get back into working out, so I thought this would be really nice to try out. And this one you could also customize. You could pick between this, a trio of eyeliners, or a salt and pepper kind of like mill, like a grinder, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is really cool. I'm really looking forward to trying that. Yes, I don't remember picking these. I actually discovered this brand through FabFitFun, and I love these gel patches. These are the little eye masks. Only select members get to customize this. So I am so glad that this is the one that I got though. I'll insert a clip of me wearing them so you guys can see what they look like. I'll probably put one on tonight before bed. But I absolutely love these. They do such a good job of like depuffing your eyes, and also just like making them feel a little bit firmer and hydrated. And I love using eye patches before special events as well. So this is a really good brand too. Ooh, next up we have the Aveda Damage Remedy. I actually just finished one that I got a few seasons ago, and this you put it on damp hair, and then you style your hair, and it just helps. I feel like it helps condition your hair, but I don't know if that's one of the claims, but it's supposed to help with heat damage. It also helps kind of smooth out your frizz. But yeah, I really like this. I really like this brand too. I love their hand cream. It's so moisturizing. So this one everybody's gonna get in their box, and this is a $30 value. Next up are these exfoliating sugar cubes from Harper Ari, and how fun are these? I've actually never heard of this brand before, but it does look like everybody's gonna get these. They're $16. I guess you just take one, like the little sugar cube, and use it all over your body. They smell like green apples. They smell so good. It's so funny because I actually ran out of all of my skin exfoliating treatments, and this actually just came just in time. So I'm gonna put this in my shower right away and start using it. Okay, so next up, it looks like we have a body souffle. This is from the brand Human and Kind. Everybody is also gonna be getting this. This is $18. Let's go ahead and try it out right now. It does have a little like seal, so you know that nobody has tampered with it. It smells like, oh, it says it's vegan and cruelty free. Just smells like lotion, almost like a little bit citrusy. I love keeping stuff like this in the car. That's probably gonna go straight in the car. And the last thing in here, they're bubble bar earrings. How fun. I totally forgot that I had picked these out. These you could pick between the earrings, a skin cleanser, or a vitamin C. So I picked the earrings because you guys know I'm obsessed with earrings. Actually, the ones that I'm wearing are also from Bubble Bar, and I think these are kind of the same concept. Oh, these are so cute. I'm gonna put these on like right now. So pretty, super dainty. I feel like everybody could wear these. I love ear crawlers, especially this time of the season, because I feel like they just look good with like long sleeve turtlenecks. So that is everything inside of the box. I'm really excited to try a lot of the stuff, like the eye mask, the sugar cubes, my earrings, and the scarf. I feel like it was a really good box. If you guys are also subscribed, let me know in the comments what your customizations were, if you guys got some of the same stuff that I did. I will leave my sign up link down below. Don't forget, you do get $10 off of your first box. With all that said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.